Hi guys, my name is Jamie McNeil. I'm here with Educational Support Programs, showing you how we are supporting students during the COVID-19 transition to online learning. I'm going to show you guys how to access and schedule an appointment to work with the tutor on the Virtual Learning Center. So I'm here with the tutor, Molly Stout.
Hi, I'm Molly Stout. I'm a tutor at ESP Services, and you can find me on Upswing online.
So we're going to show you guys how to set an appointment with a particular tutor. So to get to here, you can either go to memphis.upswing.io, or you can go to your My Memphis page, and under your student tab, underneath your e-courseware link, there should be a link to the online tutoring platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on log in now. And this will take me to the student homepage. So from here, you can go ahead and click on meet with the tutor to schedule an appointment to work with the tutor. And you can interact with the tutor here by either a video, voice, or text chat. So today I want to get better in American government. All right, and this shows you the list of tutors who can tutor in that subject. And Molly here is already ready to go for us. So I'm going to click on schedule to show you her profile. And this way I can see what times and days the tutors are available. I can also see what courses the tutor can assist in. So let's go ahead, and since Molly's here, we can start a session right now. And I said American government, did I not? There we go. And I'm going to click on schedule. So once Molly gets that link, we're going to go ahead and jump to the whiteboard room. That's where you interact with the tutor. And I'm going to join the session. So this is what you'll see when you interact with the tutor. Their picture will be right here. And here's the text chat you can interact with the tutor. And I'm waiting for Molly to join us in the room. And there she is. All right. So this is how you interact with the tutor. And it's all synchronous.
And it's a really cool feature of whiteboards.
And it's all taking place right now. And this is how we at Education Support Programs are helping you students transition during the period. So come and work with us. If you ever have any questions or issues, you can email us at ESP. Oh, why don't I type it in? You can email us at esp@memphis.edu if you have any questions about using online tutoring. All right. Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.